as comparison to Tanishq. That what the Tanishq do, Tanishq will take the raw gold at the lower cost. For the, we know that future demand of gold can high. Okay, just because the gold prices will raise day by day, so they have they can keep this thing in their mind that the raw material cost in future can high. So we have to think and we have to buy for the future perspective, and at per the future perspective we have to go for the we have to increase the future prices and supply the store shortages. This strategy is often used to hedge against price fluctuation. Suppose in upcoming future the price of that particular gold can raise, so what that will reduce our we can say the profits. Okay, because the intern then we can say the buying cost is very high, then the making charges and designing cost will also be high, or selling cost of the gold will be high. So we have to think about the price fluctuation. As per the price fluctuation, we have to buy the raw material in advance, and that is called speculative or forward buying. Next is ensure supply. Ensure supply means security material that might become scarce or difficult to obtain. It means you know that in coming time the we can say wooden if you having a you having a production unit of making furnitures. Okay, and you know that in coming future there can be scars of the wooden but we can say raw wooden because of natural damages. So we have purchased the wooden in advance for future perspectives. Next is optimize cost. Optimizing cost means we are taking advantage in a bulk purchasing. When we are going for the bulk purchasing, the discounts, the particular we can say seller will give you discount because you are taking a lot of product in a one time. So they will give you the discounts. That is called forward buying, and that are the we can say the benefits of forward buying. So as we have discussed that forward buying is the process related to inventories, parts, components, products and assets wherein they are purchased in quantity access to demand to counter future price rise. Okay, here what we do, we are arranging the product for in upcoming production so that the demand will be higher and the price will be higher in future. This is practiced by entity where they find manufacturers selling the products as the discounted price and purchase the item in a bulk. Now, when the price of product is set to original price by the manufacturer, retailer can make profit by selling the item purchased at the lower price earlier. It means that we know that the product is set by the original prices by manufacturer. Retailer can make profit. How? Suppose you have purchased in a lower cost. You know, if your raw material you have purchased in lower cost, what will you do? You will send or you can resell that items on the higher cost in the market, so your profit will be high. Or suppose you have purchased the wooden cloths in a lower prices in summers. Okay, but in the summer again occurring in the coming months, you can easily earn profit by these woolen clothes. Okay, because you have purchased in a nominal prices and you are selling in the higher prices, because the time we can say the oldest period people buy at any of the cost. Okay, so this can create you forward buying, that is called forward buying. And make or buying means a make or buying decision is an act of choosing between manufacturer, either product in house or purchasing or external suppliers. This is very clear to you. Forward buying is clear. Make and buying decision Next is what are the factors affecting the make or buy decisions? Capacity needed and available, specialization, consistency of quality, what is the type of demand, delivery schedules and lead times, effective cost, non-economical factors. So these are the factors that will influence your make or buy decisions.